Yeah.
the number one rule is date a believer. Looking at people you're searching, search among believers, search among people who love God.
If your belief and your customs and your ways of life does not conform to each other, there's no way you guys can live or stay or even have life together. Because if you're in the world and this person is in Christianity, those are two different worlds. I would describe it. That light and darkness can never, in any way, live and stay together. Where there is light, darkness will always flee. So it doesn't really make sense for you as a Christian to date somebody who is not in Christ. The first is the Bible. Putting the Bible and putting Jesus or Christ as the foundation of your dating is way important than finding somebody who is not in Christ.